Cooking Doc here today to show you how to make a quick 4-ingredient chicken burger. This chicken burger is not dry and it's got so much flavor and it's so easy. I think this will replace some of the unhealthy burgers that you have in your life. I'm hoping that you can change your buds and learn to like a chicken burger like this. And I don't want you to be afraid to add a little fat to your burger sometimes, which is what we're going to do today, but just a little bit. All right, it's very easy. Let's get going. We've got a pound of ground chicken and we're going to add to it a no sodium seasoning. This is very important if you're learning to cook healthy. You have to find low sodium or no sodium seasonings that you really like. Mrs. Dash is a really good option. I'm using a local one. This one's called Vinegarize It. It's got a little bit of tang, a little bit of spice, and we're going to use a teaspoon and add that to our chicken. We've got a half cup of chopped onions. We've got a tablespoon of homemade mayonnaise. This is going to really hold the burger together and it's going to keep your chicken burger from getting dry. And now we've just got a pinch of salt and we're going to stir it together. Let's make patties. We've got a pound of chicken and so we're going to make that into 5 patties. That gives you about 3 ounces per patty, which is a good serving size. All right, we've got our non-stick skillet heated to about medium or medium-high heat, and we don't need any oil because there's already some fat in these burgers, and we're just going to pop them on there. We're going to cook these for a few minutes on the other side, let them brown, then we're going to turn the heat down to low, put a top on it, make sure that chicken cooks all the way through to at least 170 degrees on the inside. We're going to serve these burgers without a bun. We're going to top it with a little bit of avocado slice, and what that will do is that will really give it some extra yummy flavor, and also sometimes a little bit of fat adding as avocado instead of a slice of cheese or extra mayonnaise really will help you so you fill up and keep you feeling full before the next meal. Let's get these beautifully browned burgers off. Man, I could just smell that burger, the spices, the onion just smells so good. But now let's serve them, and let's remember, so there are 3 components of having a healthy meal, right? So the first is choosing the right ingredients to put together. So we're using some lean chicken with some spices to kind of get it flavor, okay? The next step is serving it next to some healthy things, right? So if we take a healthy burger and then we pop it on a bun with melted cheese, lots of mayonnaise and bacon, it becomes unhealthy. So we're not going to do that. Instead, we've got on the side, we've got some greens, some nice mixed greens. We've got an orange, so we've got colors of the rainbow here, and we're going to have an avocado. So let's put that all together on our plate. We're just going to add a spritz of French's mustard. And then the last component of a healthy meal is making sure you don't eat too much. We've got these beautiful chicken burgers. Enjoy them responsibly at home, just like this. We will see you next time on The Cooking Doc. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, The Cooking Doc. And excuse me, I'm going to go eat my dinner. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching The Cooking Doc. Healthy cooking made simple and delicious.